Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be cel shading, or at least I attempted to. One of the reasons why I was doing this was because I'm filming a short film for my IB art prac, and I needed, I need costumes for this, and I really like the style of the cel shading, so I went ahead and attempted to do it. I'm gonna do a black and white version, but in this one I'm doing a white with black on top of it. So I only used like two colors, which was black and white, and a marker, which ended up failing. I just preferred using the black paint at the end. So the first thing I did was I actually made a reference for myself on my iPad, just to like kind of work it up, because I know you can mark it on your body, but I was really struggling and I'm a person that needs a visual representation in front of me. So I did that. And then I blocked out the grey first, which was, the grey I made the first time for the front was too dark. So if you're gonna do it, go slightly less dark, which I did for the rest of it. It looked fine in the end, but yeah, I just did too dark of a grey. Then I went with the marker, which was an epic fail. Came out just really blotchy and kind of like blue, which wasn't what I was going for. See, for this short film in general, I'm going to be doing it in black and white. The whole thing is going to be in black and white, so it didn't really matter, but it also kind of did matter, because it wasn't going to be like Borderlands cel shading, where it's like really thin. If you want to do a Borderlands cel shading, you can still follow this tutorial. Just use thinner pens and paint brushes, so that you get those more precise lines. I was kind of going for a more like blocky, cartoony, drawn character. So then I did the arms and stuff, and that was day one. I left it to dry, kind of just, then I woke up, did school, then ignored class and painted the back side of it, and then those arms, and then finally I went over with black and just added a bunch of lines, because when I was looking at references for cel shading, a lot of them have these lines in places where kind of like cross hatching, where shadows kind of hit. So, and I think it did come out good. It looks a lot better on camera, which is kind of ideal when I'm filming. So yeah, I mean, I had lots of fun doing it. I'm gonna show you the final product here. Hopefully you can't see my pants. Excuse the PJ pants. So if you would like to see the short film that this is going to be used in, and the other ones, then subscribe down below so you'll be notified when I post that short film, which should be done in the next 2 weeks or so. I'm just very busy. My chick life in quarantine. Yay! Help me. But yeah, we hit 45 subscribers and I'm really grateful for that. Thank you to everyone. Hello new people. I post every Wednesday. Subscribe if you want. Thanks for watching. Bye.